What's good, guys? It's me again, back here with another unboxing, and I'm sure you can tell by the box, and I don't know if you can see that. You guys can read the title, you know what the unboxing is. So without further ado, let me just show you the shoe. That rhyme was unintentional, and no, I do not plan on becoming a rapper. So yeah, that was a dead joke. Let's just get into the shoes. So you've got the Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 1/97. You've got the red box. You've got what do you want to call it? Corduroy graphics, which represents obviously the shoe. Let's get straight into it. You've got more air, 30th anniversary, and I don't know if you guys took part or if you were aware. There was a competition that happened last year, and it was decided on a few influencers in the community designed a few pairs of shoes. Everybody voted on them to see what would release this Air Max day that just passed. There was a lot of hype around the shoe. Yeah, I'm sure you guys know the story. If you don't, I'm sure you've probably seen plenty of unboxings. I just want to show you my pair. I got these about a week ago. Again, I've been super busy, so let's just get straight into it. So that shoe just fell down. There you go. We've got some purple laces and some baby blue turquoisey laces. I'm not sure if they're corduroy. They won't be. They're the same material. I don't know. Actually, I'm not even sure what the material is. You can't even quote me on that one. Vintage Nike font on the paper. There's not much else that goes on in the box. Yeah, tissue paper, the box, the graphics. You pretty much seen it all. So yeah, that's that. Put the box off to the side. 1 second, let me get. There we go. So yeah, you've got the gold swoosh there, turquoise swoosh here. These are DS, so as you can see, they have not been worn. I do plan on wearing them. So yeah, let's get into it. So you've got pink, grey, blue, all the colours that are representative on the upper. You've got them on the sole. You've got this creamy, yellowy midsole. Got the red airbag. There's a bunch of colours going. The one thing that I actually love about this shoe is on the inside. It's like it's a velour / velvet. So I'm not sure which material. I'm pretty sure it's velour because it doesn't feel like velvet. Velvet is a much don't know why that happened. Velvet is basically just a much higher quality velour. Velour is kind of the cheaper stuff. This actually feels quite nice. So it's probably a decent velour that they've chosen. Same thing with the insole. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it's the same material as this, which again is velour, except it's baby blue. You've got the orange smile patch. What else have you got? We've got the patches, the wave patch on the toe. Goes into the baby blue swoosh. Got all the colour scheme. I don't really know what else you guys want to know. Leave some comments in the comment section below. Tell me what else you want me to talk about. If you guys want to see my face, what other kind of content you want to see on this channel, rather than just unboxing after unboxing, which I do actually have another pickup planned after this video. So subscribe, comment, like, so I can put that one up. You've probably already seen it before. Oh, this I didn't know. I didn't see on the back. You've got the corduroy. Corduroy? Wow. You've got the corduroy tabs, and I can't make out what they say. Oh, it says VA LA. So I'm pretty sure, I'm from the UK obviously, but I'm guessing that means from Virginia to LA, because I'm pretty sure he was born in Richmond, Virginia, and he has his store Round 2 in LA. So I guess that pays homage to, I suppose, his journey. I actually thought in the beginning that the two patches would be different, but it seems like you've got two wave patches which are identical. Got a yellow corduroy upper, goes into the grey, goes into pink, blue, purple, khaki, or dark green, or forest green, whatever you want to describe it as. Oh, okay, wicked. There's a white pair of laces that comes as well. You've got a white pair. Oh, then there we go. Yeah, you've got a white pair of laces. So yeah. Oh, also the tips, the lace tips. You've got one gold, one silver, and I think it's the same on the other shoe. And I know you guys are gonna hit me in the comment section. Oh, they're fake because the laces are undone, or oh, they're fake because of this, that, and the other. Guys, I bought these from a store. I'm sure that whoever was at the store was just showing them to another customer, and they flaked, and I was the lucky one to grab these because these were the last ones. Guys, I just want to let you guys know, I get a lot of, oh, these are fake, this is fake, that's fake. Like on my last unboxing was the Off-White Jordan 1. And people try to tell me they were fake because it didn't come with a plastic wrapping on the front. Guys, people throw those things away. When you're buying from resellers and stuff, or, you know, you're getting them for retail and people are dropping them off. Small things like that get misplaced all the time. I've been in the shoe game for a while. I know all my shoes are 100% authentic, and I make sure that they're 100% authentic. We don't deal with fakes. There's nothing fugazi on this channel. So stay tuned for the next unboxing. Comment, like, subscribe. And yeah, just let me know what else you want to see on the channel. If you guys want to see me being more interactive, showing my face, showing other kinds of content, just let me know. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.